Thanx app. So how to install on iPhone. So here's the app, Thanx Loyalty Rewards. You can just tap get, and then you can just tap get and double click to install. Earn rewards just by shopping, no coupons or check-ins ever. Save by showing the screen when you pay, no hassle. Rewards from your favorite places right on your phone. We let you know when you earn something awesome. Effortlessly earn rewards at your favorite merchants. No need to get your phone out every time you make a purchase. Just sign up for Thanx, register credit, debit card, earn reward progress automatically whenever you shop. But that's not all. Get special offers, VIP experience, and birthday gifts just for being you. No hoops or jumps through. It's like magic. So register a card, shop as usual. New merchants are added, and you will be automatically enrolled in their programs. We'll buzz your phone when you earn a reward. No need to fish your phone out, check in, or scan anything, just pay as usual. Redeem rewards in store for discounts and free stuff. So yeah, that's kind of pretty cool idea. Like, there are a lot of these coupons apps, and then you just basically create an account. And you can also log in. So you just need to start with your email, and then when you log in, you just shop as usual. But this app will identify probably from your chargers or some other way that you shopped, like a specific brand which has a loyalty program, and then you will earn a discount. So try it out.